All right, here's baby Schroeder. He's a rebel baby. Yep, he's a black tri. You can see his copper starting to come in up by his cheeks and stuff. Say, my mama and daddy's been genetically health tested. Say, I'm a mini Australian Shepherd. Yes, look at that. I did the handsome boy. Yes, let's turn around so they can see. Yes, look at that handsome baby boy. Yes, yes. You're a sweetheart. You are a sweetheart. Yes, you are. Oh, we're going to get a little yawn. Yes, we're going to get a little yawn. Are you looking over there at sister and brother? Huh? Yeah. Huh? You want to cuddle? You want to cuddle? Hmm? Let them see that pretty face. Let them see that pretty little face. Say, I'm going to be a handsome baby boy. Yes, I am. Yeah. What? What? Huh? You want to cuddle? We'll cuddle in a minute. Oh, you want the tummy rub? Oh, yes. We're going to get tummy rubbed. Yes. Okay. Okay.